How to fix Instagram Reels glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels glitch on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it and then click force stop, and now storage, clear cache. And now all your glitch problems must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just click storage, clear data. You will need to log in again after that, but that will fix your problem. Just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.